Today we're diving into the IMAYCC Car Jack Kit, a robust and versatile tool designed for all your emergency tire changing needs. With a maximum lifting capacity of 2.5 tons or 5,512 pounds, this scissor jack offers a lifting range from 5.1 inches to 16.79 inches, making it perfect for both low chassis sedans and high-body SUVs. The kit includes everything you need: a 2.5-ton scissor jack, 2 rubber pads, a ratchet wrench, a dual-size lug wrench, gloves, and a convenient storage bag, ensuring you're always prepared for unexpected roadside situations. Crafted from high-strength cold-rolled steel, the jack features an enlarged base for stability and non-slip rubber pads to protect your vehicle from scratches. Its user-friendly design makes operation a breeze, while the ergonomic lug wrench provides maximum leverage for effortless tire changes. Universally compatible with sedans, SUVs, and MPVs, this compact kit easily fits in your trunk or back seat, ready to assist in any emergency. Don't let a flat tire ruin your day. Equip yourself with the IMAYCC Car Jack Kit and drive with peace of mind. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.